What if I told you to become unrecognizable in 2024? You don't have to change anything about your physical appearance. My name is Solane, and I'm going to be showing you how to become unrecognizable in this new year. And at the end of this video, I will give you an important tip that most people miss but is essential to reinventing yourself. The reason why most people can change their physical appearance but still remain unhappy is because of this one thing. They are neglecting their mind. Having a better mindset is the foundation to everything else that you will be doing. It dictates the actions that you do take and that you don't. So having a foundation like a good mindset will prepare you for the steps ahead that you have to take in order to become unrecognizable. So the way that you do it is through a mindset shift, and you need to cultivate these two mindsets: an abundance mindset and a growth mindset. Growth is knowing that you have the abilities capable to learn. A growth mindset is very important, especially if you are looking to become unrecognizable. You are going to be doing a lot of different things, and you need a mindset capable of handling learning these different things. So how do we develop a growth mindset? You have to understand you don't have to be good. You just have to be willing to learn and improve in at least one thing. Get out of your comfort zone. Do a task that you find that you struggle with rather than avoiding it. Doing this will shift your mindset, because even if you're not good, you are still trying to understand it. And understanding is the basis of learning. Comprehension. Learning from failure. Nobody likes failure, but it is the experience and knowledge that you gain from failing that is valuable. Abundance mindset. Developing an abundance mindset is important for self-growth because it promotes positive thinking. So to be in an abundance mindset, we have to recognize when we are in a scarcity mindset. This mindset comes from a place of lack and or doubt. So things like fear of failure and the constant fixation on your mistakes are all results of this type of thinking. So how do we get into an abundance mindset? Focus on gratitude. Focusing on things that you are grateful for gives you a more optimistic approach of thinking rather than a pessimistic one. So let's say that you have a job interview and you get the thoughts that you're probably not going to get this job because the candidates are more qualified than you or whatever. You can shift that perspective into, I have something valuable that the other candidates do not have. To develop an abundance mindset, it is good to be in a positive vibrational state. And a way to do this is through positive affirmations. Some positive affirmations that I say are things like, I am abundant, I am wealthy, or I am healthy. These things affirm to me of what I am, the person that I am becoming. Make improvements every day. Being consistent is not enough. Consistency without improvement is stagnation. If you are trying to improve upon yourself and better yourself, stagnation is something that you probably want to avoid. So show up, yes, but consciously make choices and actions that make sure that you know more than what you did before, even if it's just by 1%. Even though you have developed your mindset, you can't fully be the person that you dream of without knowing the two other areas that need to be focused on and improved upon. But I do have a video on the other two areas and how they all coincide with each other. So to completely change your life, go watch this video next. And remember, don't go on discussing what a good person should be, just be one.